Today's video, we're going to take a look at our 2010 Shelby GT 500. On race fuel, this car pumps out 787 wheel horsepower and 798 pound-feet of torque. Underneath the hood, this features a Trinity ported blower. We got the JLT air intake, 72mm VMP throttle body. The Shelby is super clean, all blacked out. We have matte black racing stripes, and then in the rear to put this power on the ground, we have a set of Nitto NT5R radials. And now with the key, we'll go ahead and take the Shelby for a drive. This car does have adjustable suspension, many more modifications all listed in the description of the vehicle. And then it is very well equipped. We have leather seating, navigation, and then over on the left vent we have the AEM air fuel ratio gauge. So we'll go ahead and start it right up. So now driving around in the Shelby, one thing you'll notice if you're just cruising in the car, it's actually extremely tameable. It's really not that crazy. We have it on 93 gas right now, so it's not exactly putting out the power that we were seeing with the race fuel. But nonetheless, this car packs a punch, and with those tires, it actually puts it to the ground very well. And with that full header back exhaust system, the Corsa axle back portion of it, it sounds insanely good. It has that exact V8 rumble that you want to hear. It's got some pops on the downshifts. Definitely an excellent sounding vehicle. The overall drive of the car is like you would expect in any Mustang. Good visibility, great comfortable. The suspension does a very good job. The clutch and shifter, very easy to rev match. And then as we take a sharper turn, the car stays extremely planted. And then when boost kicks in, it gets up and goes. Honestly, after all the Shelbys that we've had and that I've driven, this has got to be one of the most planted ones. It is hard to actually break traction. The tires are absolutely spot on with what you would want with this kind of power. The ride is awesome. Everything about this car, this is one heck of a Shelby. And when taking a look at all the different mods that this vehicle does have on it, everything's been put together exactly the way you would want to. Everything is done right, high quality parts, and that shows with the driving characteristics of the vehicle. The tuning of the vehicle is spot on. There's nothing weird about it. There's no weird hiccups or anything. It just has that perfect linear supercharged power band that we love from these Shelbys. And since we are packing over 700 at the wheels, I'm sure there are plenty of Shelbys out there for sale, but honestly, I don't think any of them can stack up to what you will find with this one. Without doubt, the best GT500 I have ever driven. This thing is put together exactly the way you want to, and those tires are absolutely perfect. It puts the power down so well, and I love how, like I said earlier, if you just drive it like a normal car, it can just be your normal Mustang, you know, practical, comfortable to drive, easy to drive. If you're not under boost, it's really nothing too crazy. The boost doesn't kick in so instantly that you fishtail or spin the tires. It's very gradual. So it makes it very driver focused and tameable to enjoy no matter what you're doing.